I just finished this vintage Reuge singing birdcage. Earlier example, this was made in 1968. Outstanding cosmetic condition. I fully serviced the mechanism, so it's also in outstanding mechanical condition as well. Let's go ahead and start on the pause feature. The pause feature is an excellent indicator of the condition of the bellows and the mechanism. The pause feature should always work. Most do not. There's a nice long pause. We'll wait for the pause to end, then we'll move to continuous. All right, now I'll move to continuous. The bird animates perfectly. Exceptionally sweet song, hitting all the proper oscillating notes. The mechanism runs smoothly and quietly. It's really an amazing condition, especially considering it's almost 50 years old. Off. So in summary, a vintage 1968 Reuge singing birdcage in outstanding cosmetic and mechanical condition. Take care.